Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to head out fishing for the afternoon. I'm gonna go to a river that's one that I fish a lot for coho in the fall, especially for October, November-ish, and then some late season coho, which is really fun there. There's steelhead in it. It's getting towards the time where they're going to start being in there, especially after all that rain. There's going to be some steelhead around, but it's not a super loaded river that always has a lot of fish in it, that kind of thing. It's one of those hit or miss kind of fisheries, and I'm not going to the most productive area. I'm going to go to some private property I have so I can be alone, get some shooting done. But I have caught steelhead there before, and I'm hoping to do it again. So we'll see what happens this time. I should be able to find a few fish around. Let's get after it. Yo, just made it to the place I'm gonna be fishing. The neighborhood dogs here. Standing at my door. Don't worry, the dogs up here are friendly. Ooh, blown out. And I'm gonna go down to the river and check it out real quick. We'll see how it goes. I don't expect too much. There's actually a few people fishing the river on the way up here. I didn't expect that. A lot of times guys wait till the end of this month a little bit more, and then into February. But let's go down and give it a shot. Wow, it doesn't get much better color than that. I'm just kind of staying here by the edge. I can see in right here. It's about 2.5, 3 feet. Normally, at least in the fall, I can get in right here and walk up and fish that broken up water right back there against that wall back there, like right in there. But we'll see. I mean, I'm here. I mean, there should be fish right here if I'm playing my cards right. We'll see. I might walk down to the other hole if I can actually get there. All right, well, let's get it. Let's try right here. I never fished right here before. Can't hurt. I think the river changed it right here. It's a lot deeper than normally has been right here. Don't think there's gonna be anything right here. I think this is a really good high water plunking spot because it's got this soft edge and the rest of that river is really moving, so you can see why there's plunking stuff set up right here. You can't really use bait, but I'm pretty sure they're just pulling plugs and stuff, or big spinning glows by themselves. On to the next spot. really slippery in here. Slippery mud, not slippery rocks. I can handle slippery rocks. Felt on, but I tell you, this water is absolutely perfect color. I just wish there was a little bit less of it. This is bigger water, and I normally like to fish steelhead in, but here we go. That looks really good in the water. I don't know if I can get out there like I normally do here in the fall. This fall there was a big tree line right here. That's really fast. I might have to just bobber dog this. Yeah, there's just no break in there anymore. It's all just fast. I'm recording. I had no chance of hooking a fish way down there. All right. One more spot change up here and I might go somewhere else upriver. Try to find a little less water. I mean, there's just a lot of water here still for not having rain for 4 or 5 days now. Thought for sure she'd be at least easier to fish now. Just a little too much water here. If it didn't rain for another week, this would probably be perfect in here. All right, I'm gonna head up to another spot real quick, just up on this property, and then probably head upriver. Find some smaller water that I like to fish, or head to a local creek I like to fish, just, you know, catch and release natives. All right, well, see you out there. All right, next spot here. I think I set a little too deep for this spot. Go ahead and shallow it up just a smidge. That should do the trick. Got a nice current break right there. Actually have caught quite a few steelhead in this little slot in my life, so I have confidence in it. If I can actually get it in the hole, in the drift. There's a little back eddy right there. It likes to hold your stuff up. But I've also caught steelhead out of that. Usually I'm using bait though. Got a little Toby the Black Lab back here, in case you see something running through my frame here. He's kind of a doofus, but he's sweet. He just wants to play all the time. He's just a pup. Hi, Toby. A little swirl got me right there. I might need to go up above where I normally fish this at anyways. Oh, I had a knot in my line. That's weird. Get that out real quick. I don't know what it is about spinning reels and me. I just always have this problem. I have a lot of friends that, you know, that don't use bait casters, and they talk about how they never have problems, but I never have problems with bait casters. When I use my spinning reels, it's like knot city. This one's bad too, look at that. I might have to shut the camera off to get this one out. Alright, I switched to a spinner here real quick before I leave the spot. See if I can get one to chase it, if there's one in here. Why not? Let's swing here. All right, well, I left my gimbal and stuff in the car, so I'm just gonna finish this on the GoPro. Beautiful night outside. I didn't catch anything today. Didn't really expect to, going out this late in the afternoon, and the water's still, I mean, pretty high. Normally the water's not till like right here. So I just thought I'd give it a shot today. It's a nice night out. I will might see you back on. I might hit one more spot on the way home. I don't know. This is probably my outro though. My battery's running low. I don't know if I feel like changing to another one. So if not, if I don't see you again, it was a good one. Go catch some fish.